Have you ever been at home drinking and ran out of beer? Do you go get more? Can you go get more? You feel fine to drive, but are you? Well, now you can find out with the help of our new personal breathalyzer. It comes shipped to your door with just about everything you need to get started. You just need to BYOB. Inside the box, you can find your user manual, a charging cable, 5 mouthpieces, a storage bag, and your international breathalyzer. It even has a chart on the back to show the legal limits for each country for you world travelers out there. Now all that's left to do is give it a little charge and drink a little beer while we wait. So after you've pounded a few beers, your device should be charged. Wait about 20 minutes so there's no leftover alcohol in your mouth. Then put on your mouthpiece, turn on the device, and click start. It will initiate a countdown timer, and once it gets to 0, go ahead and blow into the mouthpiece. After you've given it a good blow, it'll give you your reading. If you're in the green, you're good to drive and go buy more beer. Anything else? It may be time for a nap, buddy. It comes with a handy little chart so you can see where you stand in each country. It even has a breathalyzer history, so you can challenge your friends and see who can hit the highest number. But all jokes aside, it's better safe than sorry. With this, you can literally know your limits and help keep you a little safer, as well as our streets. If you enjoy having some drinks now and again, then this product might just be for you. I know I've liked having an actual reading of where I stand while drinking, especially those times that I run out of beer and I'm not done drinking yet. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. So until next time, I'm off to go buy some more beer, because I'm under the limit. See ya.